These are the tools required for this procedure. First, remove the screws at the top and the bottom of the step. Then remove the screws attaching the front cover to the step. Next, remove the front cover. Then, remove the top and bottom panels from the step. Connect wires to the battery to move the step out to gain access to the motor area. Then remove the screws attaching the arms to the gear assembly. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift each arm off of their gears. Now you can slide the step out further and flip the step over. Next, remove the screws attaching the motor assembly to the step. Then remove the motor assembly cover. Next, remove the screws from the motor assembly cover. Then, remove the motor assembly cover. Next, remove the gears from the motor assembly. Then, clean the motor assembly with soap and water. Do not use aggressive cleaners. Install Gear 1 on motor assembly cover with the groove facing down. Then install Gear 2 and 3 on the motor assembly cover, making sure the arrows line up with the marks on the cover. Insert Gear 4 into Gear 5 so that the thicker side of Gear 4 is sticking out. Place the combined gear assembly onto the motor assembly cover. Then install the spring onto Gear 4. Now you can install the motor side of the motor assembly onto the cover. Move gear to fit if necessary. Then install the screws to secure the motor side to the cover. Then install the motor assembly onto the mounting plate on the step. Install screws attaching motor assembly to the step. Attach each arm to the motor assembly gears. Install screws attaching arms to the motor assembly. Now install the bottom panel into the step with the manual override hole located by the motor assembly. Next, install the top panel to the step. With both panels installed, install the front cover onto the step assembly. Make sure the front cover is aligned correctly. Then install screws attaching the front cover to the step. Then install screws at the top and bottom of the step to secure the panels in place. Test the step for proper operation. With the step fully extended, tighten front panel mounting screws.